Good morning everyone! It's Monday morning, it's going to be a busy week. I'm going to bring all the international packages to the post office and in two parts. One to the international post office and one to the national post office. I will keep you updated. So right now I'm going to try to fit part 2 in my car. I hope that it fits. Otherwise I have to drive twice. And it's a pretty far drive. Yay! It just fitted. So everything is in the car now. I'm going to drive. I will be away for half a day. And the sun is shining, it's warm, I have no air conditioning, so I have enough drinks with me to get hydrated. And it's going to be such a busy week because tomorrow it's King's Day in the Netherlands. That's our national holiday for the birthday of our king. And this week I'm also going to pack all the May boxes already because as you maybe already have seen, I decided to not ship all the boxes at the end of the month, but every Monday morning. So when I receive the payment before Monday, it will be shipping on Monday, so you will be getting it way faster. So I need to start packing again already this week for Monday shipping. And I have to finish the designs for the July washi box. And the July box is already in production, and I have to film the unboxings of the May box and the washi box of May. And yeah, it's just going to be a very busy week. But now I'm going to drive. Bye! Hey! Hello! A little play break for Jip and Poppy. So all the washi tapes arrived for the washi tape box for June. The foil tapes were a bit delayed, but they're finally here. And I hope you really like this box for this month. Today, it's Tuesday, it's King's Day in the Netherlands today. We celebrate the birthday of our king and everyone is wearing orange because our kingdom's name is Orange Nassau. And normally there are a lot of festivals and festivities, but because of COVID, there are no celebrations, just some concerts on TV. And of course I have some orange snacks for the day. And it's a sunny day outside, so I probably will be a lot of outside with Jip and Poppy as well. This is our king, and this is the future queen, his daughter. Good morning everyone, I'm starting the day with some strawberries, and today I'm going to start packing the May boxes and the design for the washi tape boxes. And today also the July box went in production. So exciting! Good morning everyone. It's a rainy day today, but I have a lot to do. I just sent over the washi tape files for the July box for production. I got the news that the June box got shipped today to me. And I am also going to film the unboxing of the May box today. And I'm also taking the picture for the 1-year anniversary of Planything. I just can't believe it's already a year. Oh my god. But it's gonna be a busy day. Also have to pack some more May boxes for shipping Monday. So I will be busy all day. Right now I'm recording the unboxing of the May box and the washi tape box for YouTube and Instagram. I just took the 1-year anniversary picture of Planything and I'm just so excited. It's already been 1 year and it went so fast. I just can't believe how fast it went, but I'm so happy and thankful where I am right now, and that's all because of you and all the other subscribers and customers, because you know, if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be here where I am right now. So I'm so thankful, and I can't wait for what next year will bring and what I'm going to create and stuff. Today I'm feeling a bit like it's my own birthday with all the balloons and the garlands. But it's my birthday in October and I will be turning 30. Oh my god, that's so old. I bought a cake to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of Planything. Yay! Yummy! Today is the reveal of the May box and the officially 1-year anniversary of Planything. I am enjoying some of my Planything cake and I'm just excited for today, what today will bring, all your responses on the new box and of course also the new washi box. Good morning everyone, it's Sunday and I'm at work again. Tomorrow the first May boxes are shipping out, and call me crazy, but even the thank you cards, gifts and stickers are handled with care. I'm cutting these stickers one by one with a scissor, and then with this really small thing I'm how do you call it? Staple the stickers on this tiny line to the thank you cards. It's so much work, but so if you receive the card, you know that I handled your thank you card with care. I finally stitched all stickers to the thank you cards, so I'm now going to add these cards to those boxes and make them ready for shipping tomorrow. So right now it's Monday morning again and I am going to the International Post Office to have all those May boxes shipped. Yay! Clearly Dutch people don't know how to park their cars. So everything is packed in my car and I'm ready for a 3-hour car drive in total, and yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog because I've now vlogged a whole week. I hope you enjoyed watching everything that goes behind the scene of Planything, and see you at the next vlog. Bye!